Hey guys, I'll be showing you how to get your phone faster. So what you have to do, go to settings, general, spotlight search, and yours will probably be like this. Change it to any stuff you need. And then, yeah. So after you've done that, you see, it is much faster and quicker. And guys, but see, your Safari just comes on straight away. And if I put them all back on, and then see, not that fast. So thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe, peace.